They felt like that people must have the freedom to follow their religion. They should able to speak their own language. They are able to celebrate their own festival, express themselves freely. Means if we are keeping equality in the society, then we can see that when we are giving all the respect to the people, those who are from different religion, and we will allow them to practice the different religion. Second one, the language what we want to speak, when which language, it may be the Tamil or Hindi or Marathi, like the different languages we are able to speak. Then celebration, we know here we are celebrating Pongal, and in Karnataka they are celebrating Dasra, like the different festivals we are having in India. And each and every area people, they can celebrate their own festivals. And in one state itself we can see different types of festival, or we are celebrating same festival in different way in each and every state. We can see that one also. Then they are free to express themselves what they want to speak. If they are getting angry, or they are feeling sad, like that things, they can express very freely in front of the people. They said that no one language, religion or festival should become compulsory to follow follow. Means there is no compulsory festival. Which one you want, you can celebrate it. There is no compulsory festivals or compulsory religion, compulsory language. We are having all the they are asking the constitution writers, they said like that we should get the freedom of our religions, language and festival. As the same time they said like that no one should not make that compulsory one, any one of the language or festival or even language. Then they said that the government must treat all religion equally. The in front of the government, and all are equal. If you are going to government school, we can see that one they won't sing any religious songs. They will sing common songs which we can use for all religious people. Therefore, we are becoming the secular country. We are becoming secular country means the people of different religion and different faith, we are living together here in India. We are living together here in India. We are having the freedom to practice our own. We are having the freedom to practice our own religion. No one won't make any discrimination on the basis of our religion. That is the meaning of secular state. And this is seen as an important element of our unity, and that we all together and respect one another. Why? Because of the secular state. Secular state, we are treating means we are having the greater unity, because we are we are all live together, as well as we are ready to respect each other, because we are having the freedom to follow our own religion. Thus, though these ideals are enshrined in our constitution, this chapter points out that inequalities exist even today. Even though it is there in the constitution, then also we can see inequalities in the society, in the name of religion, in the name of caste, in the name of area where we are living, in the name of our education. In different way we can see the inequalities in the society. Equality is a value that we have to keep striving for, and not something which will happen automatically. Means the equality won't come automatically. For that, we want to work and work and work. We want to work. We want to do hard work. We want to do hard work. We should follow hard work for getting the equality in the society. And people struggles and positive actions by the government are necessary to make this reality for Indians. People want to work together, that they want to make a struggle and strike like that things for equality. At the same time, government want to take the policies in that way, then we can enjoy equality in the society. And we can see here the preamble of our constitution. It is given, this is the first page of our constitution, that clearly states that all Indians are entitled to equality of the status and opportunity. very clearly. It is there in front of our textbook also. You can read that one, and I know that one. If I as a 6th standard student, many words we will get doubt, but you can basic read it and try to understand the basic one. And here it is, we can see that one equality, that is the third point what we are discussing now. And we let us read that one equality only. Equality of status and opportunity, status and opportunity, um, and to promote among them all, not only giving status and opportunity to the people, at the same time we are trying to promote that equality among all people. So by this we are completing the lesson. And we can see the some of the next part of the textbook, that is the questions. You can do this one in textbook itself. In textbook itself you can solve it, no need to write into notebook. Please write these things in the textbook itself. And we can see next to okay. um, so the coming this match the pair and coming questions also you can solve in textbook itself. And we are by here we are stopping, and next video will start with next lesson. Thank you.